Hello and welcome to another recipe video. Today I am gonna make some other chocolate bars. It's another take on the Millionaire bars, and yeah, it's just so delicious with the cream caramel in the middle. And let's just get right ahead, shall we? Millionaire bars are made out of 3 layers. The first one is a shortbread style raw layer. Add 50 grams of oats together with 100 grams of cashews and 60 grams dates in a food processor or blender and bliss until you get a crumbly but sticky consistency. Now take your form. I use this one so that the bars are equal in shape, but you can also use a regular form and cut the bars up before adding the chocolate on top. Add your base into the form and firmly press it down. The second layer is a caramel cream. Add 250 grams dates together with 100 milliliters of plant milk, a little vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon coconut butter to the food processor and blend until smooth. This may actually take a while, so let it just process until it's smooth. Layer the caramel on top of the base and let it sit for a while in the freezer. Over a warm water bath, melt some vegan dark chocolate. Wait until everything is smooth and melt it down. Take the bars out of the freezer and layer the chocolate on top. Make sure to really get into those edges. If you want, you can add some cacao nibs on top to give the bars a little bit more texture. Store the Millionaire bars in the freezer until you're ready to indulge in them. That's another recipe in the books, and I'm so happy because now I'm stocked on some chocolate bars again, and Ferdinand is not gonna eat them because he's not eating cacao anymore, so they're all for me. And yeah, I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned here on my channel for some other delicious recipes. See you again next time here on my channel.